Hello, welcome to the Dazzle Theater. Can I interest you in a root beer float? Because if not, that's all we have.
Hey guys, and welcome back to The Dazzle.
It is day 5,900 who knows what of quarantine. We are still stuck in here, so we're still trying to do some fun things with you guys.
Oh yeah. So tonight, we are going to bring back at you, because you've probably done this before, a fun date night activity, sibling activity that you can do alone with your cat, all of those things. We're going to be building this for, and we're going to have lots of fun inside it with what else?
We're going to have a bunch of snacks that are unhealthy for us. And before you guys try judging us, we eat healthy almost every other day of the week.
We try to.
So we're just going to let ourselves have a little fun tonight. So we're going to show you how to take advantage of whatever size space you have. We have an apartment that is really, really small, and that's because we are broke college students. We are broke married college students.
Oh, yes.
So we are just going to use our living/dining room/kitchen, I guess.
It's all basically one room.
It's basically one room, and we're just going to try to make a really cool fort so we can watch a movie tonight.
Oh, yes. So that's going to be fun. Stay tuned.
Okay, so we have a big menu ahead of us for our movie night. We are going to be making some chocolate-covered strawberries with Hershey's dark chocolate because, again, Garrett and I love dark chocolate. We're going to be making root beer floats, except mine's going to be cherry vanilla Coke, and then Garrett's is going to be root beer. And then we're going to make some popcorn as well. And we'll have a few more snacks that I don't actually have to do anything for them to be ready, like candy. So, yeah, let's get started. Hello, welcome to the Dazzle Theater. Can I interest you in a root beer float? Because if not, that's all we have. So here are all the snacks that I prepared. We have our Coke and root beer floats, and then on the bottom, that's the great thing about this coffee table. It has two little shelves. IKEA, everybody. We have our desserts. So here are the chocolate-covered strawberries that I made earlier. And then we have gummy worms, my favorite. They're the berry ones because these are just my favorite flavors. Have some pretzel M&Ms because I haven't had these in a while. And for Garrett, we have some milk duds, and you can't really see them, but we have, what are they called?
Junior Mints.
Junior Mints. And on our top shelf, we have some veggie straws and our freshly popped popcorn that you guys watched me make. So yeah, come on in. Let's watch a movie.
Well, that's all, folks. We've got our fort, we got our root beer floats, and we've got some chocolate-covered strawberries. So, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to try this on your own and let us know how it goes.
Yeah, send us pictures of your forts so we can see. Maybe you can make some that are way cooler than ours, and that's okay.
Relive your childhood. Be the inner engineer I know you all can be.
Thanks, bye.
Thanks, guys. See ya.